So guys, it's Kugli here with another video. I just finished making another one. I got another package which I wanted to show you guys. So without further ado, let's open up the package which I received. Ooh, it has a battery in it. It's another action camera which I will let you guys why. So stay tuned for that. So guys, if you have been following my content really, I've actually bought a action camera recently, which was the Go Noise vlog. And if you have seen another of my content where I made a motor vlog with that, I actually showed how displeased I was with that. So I actually returned that thing because it didn't really capture what I wanted. The audio was horrible. The video was also not very good for whatever I paid. I mean, it was a cheaper option, but then I got this guy. No, it's not a GoPro. I'm not that well off yet. Still haven't gotten my GoPro yet, or even I have any plans for GoPro yet. But I got another one which was, I mean, it is mostly tried and tested, I would say, because people have been using this on their devices or with them for quite some time. This is not the first time I'm seeing this thing. So yeah, without further ado, if you have already seen the title of this thing, you already know what this guy is. It's the SJCam SJ6 Legend, which is another action camera, which is another GoPro clone, if you will. I mean, it is all, they are all GoPro clones, right? Anyway, so here it is. This is the SJCam SJ6 Legend action cam with a 2-inch touchscreen. Now let's go through the boxes because the box has a lot more information than the Go Noise had. So yeah, just for an update, Go Noise has been returned. I will not be making any review on that because, well, it didn't really serve my purpose. Anyways, it has Wi-Fi, so it's making it very clear. The pricing on this is about 20,000, which is utter bull because it's not that expensive. Anyways, it has a 30-meter water resistant case. The case can be used, so it has 2 screens, which is pretty cool. I actually understood the value of 2 screens when I was using my Go Noise vlog edition. So yeah, this has gyro stabilization. It is 3-axis, not the 6-axis like the new stuff has. There is a new version of this which is called the SJ8 with the USB Type-C input and all that, but those are really a little bit more pricey than I am actually looking for. It does say that it has 4K resolution, 24 FPS recording, but no, it doesn't have 4K. The resolution which it spouts as 4K is not really 4K, which I will actually talk to you guys in the during the review, which is coming soon. I will be making a review on this one. So this is what it has. It has camera, the waterproof housing, all these accessories, which is pretty cool. Specification. Now it has a Panasonic sensor, which is actually pretty cool. The Panasonic sensor is actually tried and true sensor, but the thing is, I'm not really sure if this thing shows it, but the processor is not Umbrella because Umbrella is probably one of the better sensors available. This is a Novatech sensor. So what that means, okay, my power went off. It is a Novatech sensor, which means that it is not true 4K, but 1080 60 is pretty usable, so I'm really happy about that. It has MOV and MP4, 1000 milliamp removable battery. This is supposed to have extra battery. I'm gonna check that out because this is supposed to really have an extra battery. I'm gonna check that out. Anyways, let's open it up and see what this thing has. So here's the cover. You have the Play Store application for this thing, which should cool. Okay, the packaging is actually much more premium than what I've seen from GoPro, but you know, that's just how things are. Here is the camera itself, which is pretty heavy. I have to say, it is heavy. Wow. Okay, open this. Oh, okay, open that, open this, and then okay, get this out. And here it is. Here's the camera itself, which I will be putting aside for now. This is the 30-meter the thing, so which is pretty cool. I will be keeping that aside. Here is the sticky mounts for it, which is also nice to see. I guess this is a 360 one, which I'm not really sure how it works, but hey, you have that. Keep that aside. There is a lens cap. Wow, it comes with a lens cap, which is amazing. I really appreciate that. Here is the USB. Now this uses USB mini, so it is mini USB port. That is the main reason it is able to use a external audio. So you have an open case, which is pretty cool. I'll be using this one because I do want to use an external microphone. And you have 2 sticky pads. Cool. You have a short leg, long leg, another short leg which is straight. That's pretty nice. You have sort of a J mount. Okay, no, this is a tripod mount, so you have a tripod mount. Pretty nice to see that. It has another one of those pads or holsters, so that's there. Okay, now this case back does not allow you to use the touchscreen with this, because this is a 30-meter one. If you are not going that deep, you do have a 3-meter back door which you can use, and this one you can actually use it with the touchscreen on the camera itself. So that's pretty nice to see. That is pretty much it. Okay, I am really furious now because it doesn't come with an extra camera. The packaging said that it had extra camera, which, okay, I've got to call them and I got to. So anyways, it does have an SJCam sticker, which I mean is kind of a rip-off from GoPro. So yeah, it does come with a manual, which is pretty awesome. We'll be using that. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I will be looking into it, and I will be actually using this one for most of my stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for that, because I'm really excited about using this one, because the last experience I had with an action cam was not the best. I was really frustrated with the noise vlog. Hope you guys liked the video. Please share, subscribe, and like the video if you found it useful. See you guys next time. Bye.